Hey guys, it's Lopez here, back with another video. Okay, so the market has been going down a little bit. So, like a week ago, I did a video where I said that price is going to go down a little bit, in my opinion. Like not only a little bit, like a lot. And so far, it has like lost 10k in value. Bitcoin has lost 10k in value since I made my first prediction. Okay, so that being said, I still think that the market is going to dip even more. I have covered that in many videos, so be sure to watch those videos if you want to find out more about why I think that. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is that we are going to check out Bittorrent, BTT. Look here. So currently trading at 0.0013. Okay, and people are very bullish on Bittorrent. And I think that the fact for that people are bullish on Bittorrent because if you use, for example, uTorrent, you know that you can read Bittorrent everywhere on it. Okay, I have done some research, and you know, you know, and also the fact that it has real use case, like somewhat real use case. Not like massive. For example, if you think about Chainlink has massive use case. If you compare Bittorrent and Chainlink, you can see that there's huge gap between like in use cases, but still Bittorrent has fairly use case, and it's very speculative at the moment, I think. And also, people who come to this cryptocurrency world for the first time and start investing, these coins that have low price are very, people want these coins. I'm going to explain why, and I'm going to also explain why I don't think that it's wise. Okay, so if the coin is 0.0001, for example, and some coin is $100, okay? Now, it doesn't matter which coin you invest in as long as it's going to increase in price, okay? Think about it that way. So all you care about is the return on investment, okay? And people who invest these coins have a very strong belief that this coin, for example, can go to X amount of dollars, which makes the gains like insane, okay? But usually that is very not a very usual case, okay? For example, if you look at like Chainlink, it's currently like 25 bucks, and it went from 20 cents to 25 bucks. That is huge. That is absolutely huge. But if you still think that it's $25 and it's going to go to $100, for example, because the use case is more solid, it doesn't matter if this coin is like this priced. It doesn't matter, because if you don't believe in the product, and if the product doesn't have real utility, utility always wins hype, like in long term. So you want to do very in-depth research on the core, like the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. In my opinion, what I personally do is I look at cryptocurrencies like, would I invest in company X? Like if Bitcoin was company, would you invest in Bitcoin? And as soon as you start thinking that way, you are like, that's crazy. That's mental debt. Nobody has told me this before. I learned it from Warren Buffett. And like, just think about it. Like, if you think Bitcoin is company, would you invest in it? I don't know why I haven't like figured this out before, but think about it. Bitcoin is decentralized, non-inflated currency, which means that it's very valuable. Like like, think about it. If it was a company, like how valuable that would be. Like, it's crazy if you think about it. And people who understood Bitcoin here made a lot of money. Okay, and yeah, I think that it's absolutely crazy. So let's look at here. If you start thinking these currencies as that they're companies, you can make I think you're fairly good. Okay, so for example, if you go here to some page here, a lot of these coins are, would you like, let me say, like, would you rather invest in Apple, there's many users and people are using it a lot, and um, there's like predictability that it's going to grow? Or would you invest in some random coin that you don't know anything about, and there's really no one using it, and it's very speculative? um, I would always pick the coin that I know a lot about. Okay, so stick with your circle of competence, meaning that stick with what you know. Okay, so if you know, for example, a lot about BitTorrent, then sure, man, I think that that's very good. But I think that where many people do when they come to cryptocurrencies, um, they just invest in random things, because a lot of different biases. Because if, for example, if you see BitTorrent, you understand that, there's uTorrent, and it's like it's a use case is like there, and it's also small cap coin. That's really good. This is going to go moon. I think that that mentality that is not good. I just think that it's not good. There's thing that called opportunity. Um, opportunity. Uh, what is it called? I forgot. So yeah, opportunity cost. I don't know. Well, I forget. That's what. Anyway, opportunity cost. So whatever you do with your money, there's always something else that you could be doing. Okay, and I always like these days. I don't buy into the hype, and I always do my own research and see what I think about different coins. Okay, like use your own brain. Because a lot of people just follow the hype, and I think that that's not good. Because if you think about it, people who use their brain and understood Bitcoin back in, like, after, like, anywhere between this, they have made huge gains. If you understand it anywhere between here, they didn't do it. They just use their logic to link, like, yeah, this is going to go up. So in that sense, you don't, if you start thinking it that way, you don't have to go like this and make money here like really fast, because then it's really easy to lose it, because of what goes up will come down. Okay, so instead of doing that, if you just start uh, really picking companies that you believe in, like Warren Buffett does. I'm not financial financial advisor. I just share what I think is true. I'm just spitting my truth here. But instead of like going for the short-term mentality of quick gains, you just long-term, understand the long-term value, and then just make small wins, and it will become a fortune. But of course, this requires patience and knowledge and understanding, because like Warren Buffett says that you don't want investing, like, you don't have to swing if you don't want. So meaning that you don't have to invest if you are not confident in the investment that you're doing. So with that being said, you just have to have knowledge about the investment, like very much knowledge, and look at it various perspectives. And after that, it doesn't matter what price you buy for it, because if it's going to go up, you will make gains. Okay, percentile gains, and then you just do it over and over again. Okay, so you don't constantly need to be looking at hype stuff. You don't have to constantly be looking at the charts and finding the new hype coin. You don't have to do that. I think that this is very smart, and I think that a lot of people who have made a lot of money on cryptocurrencies have done exactly this. Again, no financial advice. Again, this BitTorrent video was a bit different. No love bit. I don't think that we will even watch any BitTorrent news. um it's crazy. But yeah, this was the video, but I hope that you found some value in this. I think that this is very valuable video. I don't care if you don't like this. I think that the value I shared is very good. So one of you, even if one of you please found value in this video, I have done my job. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.